Basic English questions and answers for beginners.
Watch till the end for better experience. Hello.
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Thanks, I'm good. What's your name?
I am Jawad. What's yours?
My name is Nara. Where are you from?
I belong to Pakistan.
Wallow, that's a beautiful country.
Indeed. By the way, where are you from?
I am from the UK.
That's wonderful.
Thanks. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. How about you?
I am 25.
What do you do?
I am a lawyer. How about you?
I don't work. I'm still studying.
Glad to hear that. What's your majors?
I'm study computer science.
Wish you best of luck.
Thanks.
You are welcome.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
See you next time.
For sure, bye for now.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you wish to get a high score, follow us for more.